Hey everyone, James Wolfe here, founder and docs dev of Bubblegum. Today we've got some very bullish news for the crypto market. The CEO of Binance, his name is CZ, he was at a virtual summit this morning in Thailand, and he announced that he has plans to take Binance US public with a traditional IPO, taking it to the US stock market and trading similar to how Coinbase has just gone public. Now we've got other crypto exchanges that are probably going to follow suit. I know Gemini, Kraken, Robinhood, of course, are all different types of exchanges that are following Coinbase and going public. If Binance US does this, this is going to open the floodgates, I believe, to bring in a whole lot of new traditional investors into the crypto market, and most importantly for Bubblegum, into the BNB token. Part of this whole announcement is that CZ is planning to hire a new CEO, one that can focus mostly on regulatory compliance work. And he wants to focus his time and efforts, into building the DeFi network alongside the BNB smart chain. So again, guys, this is very bullish news for Bubblegum. This is going to bring in a whole slew of new traditional investors into the Binance smart chain. Thank you guys for listening. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, smash that button, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks.